Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel. First, download the game on your chosen platform, whether it's PC, console, or mobile. Next, complete the in-game tutorial. It's a fantastic way to grasp the fundamental rules and core mechanics. You'll then build your initial deck using the cards you've acquired. Remember, your primary goal is to reduce your opponent's 8,000 life points to 0 by battling with your monsters and using powerful spell and trap cards. A turn in Master Duel is structured into 6 distinct phases. It begins with the draw phase, where you draw one card. During your main phase 1, you can summon monsters, set spell and trap cards, and activate effects. The battle phase allows your monsters to attack, aiming to destroy opponents' monsters or inflict direct damage. After battle, main phase 2 offers another chance to set cards or summon. Finally, the end phase concludes your turn. Building an effective deck is crucial for success. Your main deck should contain between 40 and 60 cards, ideally a balanced mix of monsters, spells, and traps. Aim for a consistent strategy, perhaps focusing on a specific archetype, to ensure your cards work well together. Don't forget your extra deck, which can hold up to 15 powerful monsters like Fusion, Synchro, Zeiss, and Link monsters, offering versatile options during duels. To truly master the game, delve deep into understanding card effects and interactions. Practice regularly against the in-game AI or challenge other players to hone your strategies. Reviewing your duel replays is incredibly valuable. It helps you pinpoint mistakes and discover better plays. Additionally, explore the vast online community for new deck ideas, metagame insights, and advanced tactics to elevate your dueling prowess.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.